Wendy here from wendybottrell.com, and today we're going to talk about step-by-step tips to learn how to make exercise a daily habit. And I found that when I made health and fitness a good habit in my life, it was a game changer for me. The habits that I formed around exercising daily, they've helped me to feel better. I'm stronger, which is definitely important as we age. I've also been able to reduce my weight by over 100 pounds and certainly improved my energy. And I also certainly enjoy moving well and moving often. So, we know we're supposed to stay active, right? But because movement really does matter for a healthy and fit life. Yet how many of us struggle with exercising daily as a habit? Many people, and it doesn't have to be that way. And so today we want to share step-by-step tips so you can learn how to make exercise a daily habit for your best life. So check out these staggering numbers on why it's vital for your best life to begin the habit of daily exercise. Brendon Burchard writes in his book High Performers that 2/3 of Americans are obese. 20% of Americans don't even do the minimum amount of aerobic and muscle strengthening activity recommended by the CDC. And 42% of American adults aren't even doing enough to manage stress. Stress is the ultimate energy and well-being killer. So it's so vitally important to get the practice of exercise in your life. So when we're in the habit of exercising throughout the week, we build our bodies, we keep our energy levels high, which makes for added productivity. But exercise also is good for us in many other ways. Exercise helps you sleep better and keeps you generally healthier as you age. Exercise not only keeps your body in top form, but leads to better mood, and overall mental health. So, asking the question as we begin, how do you make exercise a daily habit? And if you're not doing exercise as a daily habit, now is the time to begin. We wrote about this a few days ago. Now is the chance to create some momentum, because the number of people come New Year's Day that say they're going to start exercising, go to the gym, get on a diet, and actually succeed is very slim. But if you start now, start today, go for a walk, and start building that momentum over the next 2 months almost. Come January 1st, that's not a New Year's resolution you need to make, because you already are doing it and successful at it. And it is that daily habit. But now's the time to start. So here's the step-by-step instructions, and you'll be on the road to building this healthy habit in no time. Number 1, make time each and every day for exercise. Being deliberate about when you exercise means it's more likely it's going to happen, even when life is busy. Also, it trains your body to begin to enjoy your exercise time. If it becomes that habit, you do begin to enjoy it. Before long, you'll find yourself looking forward to your movement practice and the many benefits for your health and well-being that it has to offer. So, you can use an online calendar or your smartphone. But as you start to develop the habit of daily exercise, you may want to set a reminder on your online calendar or your phone for when it's time to exercise, so you don't forget or put it off until it's too late in the day. And exercise has been a part of my daily habit for a long time. And I still use an online calendar that pops it up as a reminder a half hour before I have it scheduled. So these things that you can use on and on to keep it in a habit. Be prepared. It may sound obvious. However, getting into the habit of putting your exercise clothes and the gear the night before, so you won't use the excuse that you don't have time to find everything. Keep your exercise bag right near the door and ready to go. If you're off to the gym, have your shoes ready. If you're going for a walk, you get the point, right? Be prepared. Just leave when you're ready. Is it time to go? Don't overthink it. Just go whether you feel like it or not. Your body will click into gear once you get started. And certainly this is true. Many, many times in the morning I go for my walk. I'm not really feeling it. I put my shoes on and I just get out, and by the end of my walk, I feel great and ready for my day. So just leave when you're ready. Number 5, start where you are. Take baby steps. By starting small and making tiny changes, it will help you eliminate the overwhelm that you might feel as you begin. Or worse, if you're going too hard and that's not where you're starting, you may do damage to your body. Maybe doing a workout or walking too long, or, trying some kind of exercise that you're just not ready for. You can always increase your time reps later when you become fitter, and that is appropriate for sure. So start where you are. Number 6 definitely is important. Keep it fun and interesting. Nothing screams boredom more than the same routine day after day. Mix up what you're doing. Run a new route or begin practicing a new exercise at the gym. Adding new types of exercise also makes sure you're working all the different muscles too. So, for me, one day I leave my house and turn left, one day I turn right. I ride my bike, I jump on my trampoline, I do weights, I use kettlebells. It's a complete range to always keep it interesting. Now, take a break occasionally. As you build your new healthy habit, you don't want to skip days, that's for sure. Keep it on the schedule, and consistency is the key. However, it's good to have an occasional lighter day. When you recently, maybe you upped your game earlier in the week. Maybe you're not feeling well. Maybe you didn't sleep well the night before. So it's okay occasionally, but it really is important to keep the consistency and stick to your planned schedule. Once you make exercise a daily habit, you'll come to look forward to it. That's been my experience, at least. You won't even think about it. You'll just do it. With so much benefit, it's obvious that keeping a daily exercise habit, it's essential to a happier and healthy you. So do you exercise daily? Share any ideas on your daily exercise, comments, or questions in the area below. If you're not in the habit of daily exercise and would like to begin a home workout program, we do recommend the Home Workout Revolution system because it includes a great beginner program with all the follow-along videos. And we use this in our personal exercise plan, and we will share our affiliate link for you in the show notes. So share with us any comments below how you'll practice the step-by-step tips to learn how to make exercise a daily habit for your best health and fitness life. We'd love to hear from you. Be sure to get in touch with us if you have any questions and if we can help you. And let us know what fitness-specific questions you have in the comments, or you can get in touch with us and let us know. If you found value here today, we would invite you to like and share this video with those you think it might help. We would love it if you subscribe to our channel today. We want to thank you for connecting. I'm Wendy Bottrell. You can find out more about us at wendybottrell.com. Thanks. Bye for now.